husks come from the seeds of an herb called Plantago ovata. The most common use for psyllium husk supplements may help to manage your cholesterol levels and treat intestinal issues including constipation, diarrhea, hemorrhoids, and irritable bowel syndrome. As they are high in soluble fiber, they may also help lower blood glucose levels in people who have type 2 diabetes. Diabetes management. Psyllium decreases blood sugar levels and improves tolerance of the diabetes metformin. In type 2 diabetics, in a study, 40 people consumed 1 tablespoon of psyllium 30 minutes before breakfast and dinner each day for 1 month. Results showed lower fasting blood sugar and HbA1c levels. Psyllium also promoted higher levels of high-density lipoprotein or HDL, the good form of cholesterol in this study. Psyllium husk has been found to help with blood sugar control. Adding it to a healthy diet can help lower blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of metabolic syndrome. Individuals who are on medications to lower blood sugar should talk to their physician before taking psyllium husk since it is proven to lower blood glucose levels. For some diabetes, taking psyllium husk may reduce their need for medications. Extremely low blood sugar levels can be dangerous, so always talk to your doctor before taking the supplement if you are on diabetic medications. Taking psyllium before meals has been found to keep blood sugar levels from rising after a meal, which is important for individuals with diabetes or pre-diabetes. In one study, taking psyllium fiber with breakfast and dinner helped to reduce glucose elevation after breakfast, lunch and dinner. You can get psyllium in powder form also, which can be added easily in your regular diets like soups and salads. When taking psyllium husk, it's important to take it 2 to 4 hours before or after you eat or take supplements. Psyllium has the ability to decrease the absorption of some medications. Small amounts of fiber are excellent for the body, but taking too much psyllium can result in too much fiber for your digestive system, resulting in digestive problems. For any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment in below comment box. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, like us and subscribe. To get latest updates and notifications, click on bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Guava, a miracle fruit for diabetes. Diabetes is a condition in which your blood sugar increases rapidly, leading to certain health issues. Consequences of diabetes include blurred eyesight and organ decay. Today, you're going to learn a miracle natural remedy with guava leaves, which maintains your blood sugar effectively. Many people take a lot of medication for diabetes, even the shots of insulin. Those things of course lower your blood sugar temporarily, but can be bad and threatening for future references. Guava has a higher concentration of lycopene, an antioxidant that fights prostate cancer and many diseases. According to a study for diabetics, eating guava without its skin can reduce the sugar absorption in your blood. If you are worrying and helpless of diabetes, then you must give this a try. Let's see the making of this miracle remedy. Ingredients: matured fresh guava leaves 10, fenugreek seeds 2 teaspoons, water 3 glasses. Clean the guava leaves under running water so that no dust particles are there. Take a boiling vessel. Now put the guava leaves, fenugreek seeds and water into the pan. Boil it in low flame so that the water is reduced to 1 cup. Finally, turn off and put the bowl aside to become room temperature. Drink this water in an empty stomach every day. If you are having any allergy related to the ingredients, you must consult a doctor before taking this. Since guava is rich in dietary fiber, it helps ease constipation and can even lower the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. Guava is rich in the antioxidant vitamin C. Guava also improves blood circulation, which can boost brain function. For any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment in the below comment box. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos like this, please like us and subscribe. To get latest updates and notifications, please click on the bell icon.